How you doing? This is Tariq. This is my last class as far as with Widener social work program. After this class, I still have to complete the entire second year internship beginning in January, the end of January, I think that is. Uh, what drew me to the field is I created a nonprofit, and with the social justice issues, I felt like social work was a good fit. And aside from that, I wanted to practice psychotherapy. So I thought they just went hand in hand. My experience in the field, I guess I started in the field. I had received my bachelor's in psychology. Started out as a peer support specialist. I did that for like a year um, at a mental health agency. And then with my experience with the community, I have a past background. Yeah, I went through the system. So I did a reentry program with the first placement, and as a peer support specialist with a background, I felt that was a good way to get into the field. So as I entered the field, I was able to do different things, move up from a peer position to a case manager position, starting out as a vocational specialist. And then I went up to the substance abuse counselor. I did the substance abuse counselor for like a year. I did the vocational specialist for like a year. Um, that agency closed down, and now I'm working at a methadone clinic, and I'm a counselor there. I do a group every day, except for one day a week, and I do one-on-one counseling, and that's about it. Um, yeah, I also work in the field as a behavioral assistant to youth. That's been interesting. I've been able to learn different interventions involving play therapy and behavioral approach, right? Behavioral therapy. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you.